Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings and customization. And in today's video, I will show you on how to enable or turn on mouse indicator on your Windows PC, which give a point each time you click or you do anything on your PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the startup menu right here. Go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on accessibility. Then go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here. Scroll down right here until you get to mouse. Click on mouse. And the next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you go ahead and scroll down right here. You have mouse pointer right here. Go ahead and click on here. Then scroll down right here, and you have mouse indicator right here. Go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. So a circle around the mouse pointer when I press the control key. So which simply means that each time you are making a command with your keyboard, the mouse pointer is going to indicate exactly where you point. This is a very useful settings and useful tools, most especially when you are screen record on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.